Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate pages in MPG from scratch, and we'll begin by creating a source file with Google Sheets. So I'm just going to go ahead and rename this. Let's call it something like MPG countries. And to keep this simple, I'm only going to add two headings. So the first one will be country, and the second one will be capital. So we're going to get a list of countries and their capitals. All right, so let's add a country. Let's do Dominica. This is Dominica in the Caribbean, so the capital is Roseau. I'll just add two more. The last one is Germany and the capital is Berlin. So this is just a quick example, but in your case, it could be anything else. Let's go ahead and click on the share button. And we want to make sure that we are changing this from restricted to anyone with the link. We can go ahead and copy the link right now to make sure that it's available to the public. So we'll just copy this and we'll open up a new incognito window. And once it's open, we can go ahead and paste the link just to make sure that it's available to everyone. And in our case, it is. All right, so let's go ahead and close this tab and we'll go back to WordPress to create our template. We'll add a new page and we'll call it MPG Template. Next, we'll add our first MPG shortcode, which is double curly bracket MPG underscore capital, which is the name of the second heading in our spreadsheet. Then double curly brackets is the capital of double curly brackets again, MPG underscore country, then double curly brackets. So basically the shortcodes are used to pull data from their corresponding columns in the spreadsheet. All right, so now we just want to make sure that we go ahead and publish this page. And once it's done, we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard to create our MPG project. So we'll hover over MPG and click on create new. We'll create one from scratch. So now we need to name our project. We'll just call this something like MPG countries. And for the entity type, we'll use the same one as our template, which is pages. And now we can use this menu to search for our template, which is MPG Template. So once we've done that, we'll just move on to check both of these boxes. We'll save our changes and we'll also see that one gets unchecked, participate in the search. We need to check it again and click on save changes one more time. Okay, it's good. Let's move down to source. And here we need to paste the link for our spreadsheet, the public link. And since we only have one worksheet, we don't need to enter an ID. Now we'll also keep the default option for periodicity. It's set to live. So let's click on fetch and use. This should take about 5 seconds. And once it's done fetching, we'll see a data preview. And this is the information from our source file. And in the next section, we have options to customize our URL format. So by default, we're using all shortcodes with a hyphen in between. So we can see the URL preview right here. We'll click on save changes. And once that's done, we can scroll down and click on see all URLs. And we'll just go ahead and open each of them in a new tab to see the result. All right, so we'll see that all of the values have been inserted correctly. So this is how you generate pages in MPG from scratch. Thank you for watching and see you next time.